In this video, we're going to learn how to create to-dos here within Trimble Connect for mobile. We'll go to the third icon here on the bottom toolbar, and we can see that there's already an existing to-do. To-dos are essentially tasks that you can assign to different people, which tell them instructions on issues or comments or problems or things that they need to get done on the project. Let's go ahead and begin by just creating a to-do. We'll press the Create To-Do icon, and here this is just going to create a basic to-do. Let's go ahead and enter in a description. Once we're done, we'll press the check button. Then we can go ahead and set a due date. Then let's go ahead and assign this to someone. Let's assign this to the design group. We'll then press the back button at the upper left-hand corner, and then we can also choose to attach views or even drawing files. So let's go ahead and attach a file. Here we can then browse through the folder structure. Let's go to a drawing, and we'll select this B2 beam drawing. We'll then press back, and now we can see that B2 beam PDF is attached to this to-do. Once we're done filling in all of the different contents, we can go ahead and press the check button. Now the new to-do is created. You'll then see that the synchronization icon shows that it needs to be synchronized with the cloud. This is especially important when you're creating to-dos and you're offline. If you're offline, you can create the to-dos, and then when you get back online, you'll press the sync button, and it will then synchronize that to-do to the cloud. Now let's go ahead and see how to create a to-do here within the 3D model. We'll select on these two braces, and we're going to then press the Create To-Do button. We're going to go ahead and say Remove Braces. We'll then go ahead and set the status. We'll even set the Assign To. Let's go ahead and assign this to the design team. We'll then press back, and here we can see the 3D view with the selected objects is attached to this to-do. Once we're done, we'll press the check button. And now that to-do has been created. To see the to-do, let's press the back button at the upper left-hand corner to get out of the 3D model. We'll go to the to-dos list, and now we can see the new to-do of removing braces. If we select on that to-do, scroll down, we can see the embedded view. If we tap on that, it will then open up the model, zoom us to that camera location, and show the braces that need to be removed. Again, let's go ahead and synchronize this new to-do to the cloud. Now when we log into Trimble Connect in our web browser, we can see the Remove Braces to-do. We'll select on it, and then we'll click on the thumbnail. This will then load the models and zoom us to that location and show the selected objects for removing the braces. I can then come in here in the web interface and create a comment. Once this comment has been added, the person that created the to-do on their mobile device will be able to open up the to-do and see this comment. Let's synchronize with the cloud again and make sure that we have the latest comments and to-dos that have been created. Now let's go to the Remove Braces, and then we'll go to the comments. Here we can see the comment that was added on the web to remove the braces and upload a new model. When the new model is uploaded, we would then be able to see that model potentially attached to this to-do, so we could review that the braces were actually removed.